Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to separate the audio from a video in DaVinci Resolve 21. So to get started, you're going to want to import your media into your project. I've already done so, and then just go ahead and drag that into your timeline. So as you can see, this video does have some audio included, and let's say I want to work on them separately. I'm going to move over to the edit tab, and then here you're going to be able to view the audio tracks and video tracks separately. And you'll notice that when I make changes to the video, it automatically makes the same changes to the audio. So let's say, for example, there I gave it two cuts. It also cut the audio in two places. Or let's say I want to work on them separately for some other use case. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to select the video in the timeline. I'm going to right click it. And then right at the bottom, you're going to see this option called link clips. You can go ahead and click on that or use the keyboard shortcut Control Alt plus L. And doing so should remove the chain icon at the bottom left of the clip. And now you should be able to work on them separately. So just make sure that you have the specific one you want to work on selected by left clicking it. And you should be able to manipulate them independently of one another. So that's definitely one thing to get used to if you aren't familiar with programs like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.